Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Yourself on guitar. We'll start with the fundamental chords you'll need. This song is quite accessible, using just 4 open chords: E minor, C major, G major, and D major. You won't need a capo for the standard arrangement, making it perfect for beginners. Let's get those fingers ready to learn these essential shapes and get started right away. Once you have the chords down, let's tackle the strumming. A versatile pattern for this song is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to emphasize the very first downstroke of each measure to give it a solid rhythmic foundation. Remember, consistency is key, so start at a slow pace and gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Now, let's put those chords and strumming together into the song's progression. Both the verse and the chorus sections of Love Yourself utilize the same simple, repeating 4-chord sequence. You'll play E minor, then C major, followed by G major, and finally D major. Each of these chords is generally held for one full measure before transitioning to the next. To truly master Love Yourself, focus on making your chord changes as smooth as possible. Practice transitioning between E minor, C major, G major, and D major without hesitation. Also, experiment with dynamics. Try varying your strumming intensity to add more feeling to the different sections of the song. Listening to the original track will help you capture the perfect timing and overall vibe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.